big ass bubbles.
So Adam, you're gonna squeegee all this around the front windscreen, and then we're gonna cut it out.
And you lift that up.
Lift
Lift
it
it
up.
up all the way up to here. Should we cut it?
Just peel it all off.
Yeah?
Yeah, peel it off, and then we're gonna cut it around it.
What is that? That's dirt, isn't it?
Oh man, it's not dirt, it's just because it's been rolled up for a while.
Keep bubbles there.
I feel like that, it's okay.
It needs a clean. It needs a clean.
Peel it off, and then while it's all peeled off, then we go over it. It's a nice grey.
Oh, I see it. Pushed it into the mud. Ah, it's creased. That one's out.
That's the sun strip done. Matte grey. We're gonna install the final piece. And gloss white.
Can you say it louder next time?
In gloss white.
No.
Go on.
It's hard. That's bubbles.
The finished product, guys. The background is a grey matte with Autorex in gloss white. If you're wondering what Autorex is, it's what my front bumper is from, and my drop links. It's a company in Japan, and they don't make anything like this. They don't even give you stickers when you do buy the car parts, so I thought I made them custom from Tom MX5. If you're in the Mazda community, you should know who that is. I'll put his Instagram name in the description. Okay, that's what it looks like, guys. See you in the next video.